my mouse cursor or pointer has been activated on my Android phone. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Read Concept TV. I am Izuchukwu Nnamdi James. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on your mouse cursor or your mouse pointer on your phone. You don't need to download any third-party app. Everything is already inside your phone. So all you need to do is to sit back and watch this video to the end. Okay? So now, if you come to your phone, you go to settings. When you click on settings, then when you go to settings, then you come here, you come to system, you click on system. Now by the time when you click on system, now what do you do now? You go to here that says about phone. Here that says about phone. You click on it. Now when you click on it, now it takes you to a place. Then you come to this place. Now you click here that says build number. You tap here 3 times. Like this. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see what this thing is telling me. It's telling me that, look at what it tells me. It said, no need, you are already a developer. So when you tap it 3 times now, then you go back, you press your go back button, your backspace button, then you click on it. By the time when you click on it, you notice that an option has already popped up here that says developer option. You see here that says developer option. So now you click on it. By the time when you click on it, it takes you to, then you go to here that says input. You see here that says here that says show bar. Then you click, then you click here, then you turn it on. By the time when you turn it on, then you go back to your phone. As you can see, our pointer has started showing. You see, it's very easy, very easy. This is how to activate your pointer on your phone. And one more thing, I just want to remember what we said. By the time when you go to settings, then you go to your system. By the time when you go to your system, you go to about phone. When you click on it, then you tap here that says builder number. You tap it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. For some, there are certain phones that when you tap it 3 times, this option will not pop out. This developer options will not pop out. You try it again. If you tap it 3 times and you go back and you did not see this developer option, you try it again. If you didn't see it again, you try it again. Definitely the option is going to come out. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video is useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. In this place, I drop real value. If you have any question to ask me, don't forget to drop your question on the comment section. Okay? See you next in my next video. Remember, it's Izuchukwu Nnamdi James. I love you and stay cool.